I'm gonna take one too. Oh, that's definitely a heaping. That's fine, actually.
Okay. Looks like it tastes really bad.
No, it tastes like tea. Go ahead, just put it all in. No, don't. It's $21. You better not spit that shit out. Drink it, Ryan. Trust me. Look at me when you do it. I want to see your face. No, keep going, man. Ryan, just drink. Drink, Ryan. No, do it. Don't waste it. Drink it. Oh, that's gonna be so much worse. No, Ryan. Don't be a pussy. Damn. It's free news press. I have a right.